Hi everyone, in this video I am going to cover how to multiply whole numbers and fraction. There are three steps to follow when we are multiplying whole numbers and fractions. Here it is set of whole number and set of fractions means set of rational number. So first step is whole number to fraction. 3 is whole number which is belonging to set of whole number, so we will write whole number to fraction. We know that every whole number there is always denominator 1, so we have done step 1 whole number to fraction. Next step is straight cross, means numerator will multiply to numerator and denominator will multiply to denominator. It means 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3 and 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2. So last step is simplify. Because 3 over 2 is improper fraction, so we have to simplify it. We know that 2 divided by 2 it will be 1 and remainder 1 and denominator keep the same. So this is the simplest form of example 1. Similarly, first step is we have to whole number to fraction. So we will convert whole number 8 to fraction 8 over 1 multiply by 4 over 5. Next is straight cross, 8 multiplied by 4 32 and 5 multiplied by 1 it will be 5. Last step is simplify. 32 divided by 5, we know that 5 times 6 is 30. It means it will be 6 and remainder 2 and denominator keep same means 5. So 6 2 over 5 is the simplest form of example 2. Similarly, next example is 3. So 3 over 4 is fraction, it will be same and we will convert whole number to fraction. So it will be 12 over 1. We will cross multiply. 3 times 12 are 36 and 4 times 1 is 4. So 36 divided by 4 it will be 9 simple. So 9 is the answer of example 3.